from previous work, we're just going to look at this assembly, colour it in a similar way and take it into Femap, where we can apply our glue between the different meshes. So we've worked out the effective clamping zone that we're going to apply, and that's the red circles there basically. So we've seen how to do this before, but so the red circles are simulating the effective clamping area of the fixings. We're not going to model the fixings or the shrink and so on. It's a fairly simple quick look-see analysis. So taking one of the bits, I've already split the surfaces as we did before, so I'm just going to change the colours just to make things a bit easier when I go into Femap really. So we'll make them red again. I tend to make them all the same colour. You can then pick the colours by surface in Femap if that's what you want to do. There's lots of ways of doing it. And the same with that body. We'll just get rid of that end. Just look at the body, and again we've already split the surfaces, so we'll just do the same again. Pick all of them in one go, spin the model round, and make them red. Remembers all the colours, and that's it. So we've got 3 parts of the assembly now, all modelled. Got the colours, various clamping faces. We're going to use the glue command inside Femap and Nastran. So we'll just export this as a parasolid, and as I said in the previous video, Femap's a parasolid modeler. So pick all the parts. This is 3 separate solids, give it a name, call it, I don't know, assembly or whatever, and then export that file. There's nothing else really to do. That's it, done. We'll go into Femap now, and we'll just import that file, and then Femap will import it as separate parts, so it is an assembly. Change the scaling factor. I always use, because I'm using metric, increment that colour thing or turn it off like I did before, and then that's it. Read it in. Now we'll have a quick look round in Femap, and it looks pretty similar. Now in Femap we can turn the parts off, so we'll just turn a couple of parts off and just have a look, make sure we've got our red areas. There we go, look. Spin that round and have a look at the other parts. There you go. And then what basically we're going to do is use those red areas to glue the models together only at those points to simulate the clamping of the bolts.